Hey guys, this is Savannah Sanchez of The Social Savannah. Today I'm going to be going over my key learnings from Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend of 2020. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm a media buying freelancer that specializes in Facebook, Google, Snapchat, TikTok, and Pinterest ads for e-commerce clients. Some of them include Peel phone cases, leaf shave, dermatology, kitsch accessories, doe lashes. So I work with a handful of brands on their paid social strategies. I also have a creative team that helps them with their ad creatives. We also make UGC for our clients or user-generated content and just making sure that they have amazing ads in their ad account at all times. This is now going to be my third Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend working with e-commerce clients. 2020 was, of course, a unique Black Friday, Cyber Monday because of the coronavirus pandemic. A lot of brands were trying to make this Black Friday, Cyber Monday their biggest sales day ever and make up for maybe some lost profits or slower months towards the beginning of the pandemic. A lot of brands also trying to clear out inventory before the next year. Everyone this year, budgets were high. Everyone's trying to sell as much as possible in this 4-day Black Friday, Cyber Monday window. Expectations were really high for this weekend. Also, it was extremely competitive just in the Facebook, Snapchat, Google auctions. A lot of brands, not only the ones I was working with, but all the brands across the board were trying to spend as much money as possible. It drove up CPMs quite significantly, definitely higher than I've seen in any other year. So wanted to go through some key learnings of how I was able to prepare for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. The number one thing that I want to talk about is preparation. For Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you have to prepare early. I was talking to my clients about what their Black Friday, Cyber Monday offer was going to be back in early October, trying to get that finalized so that we can start making the creatives, making sure we have all the right copy so that we're completely planned ahead and ready to go. Start talking to your clients early, or if you're a brand, start thinking very early on what your offer is going to be. Speaking of offers, a lot of brands this year did anywhere between 20 and 40% off site-wide. That seemed to be the most popular offer. I had some brands that did stuff like buy one, get one free or different bundle deals, but by far the most popular offers, and I would say the most successful offers, were the ones that were like 30% off site-wide. It also is really important to not have a coupon code required. So that's something I talked to my brands about. Some of them, they wanted to do a coupon code, and I was like, no, do not do a coupon code for Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. Just have it apply automatically site-wide so that there's no extra barrier to people who are trying to buy. If you do require a coupon code, there's a chance that conversion rate might drop because people might not know the coupon code, they spell it wrong, they forget, and they just leave. So you want to make sure that the experience is as seamless as possible for the consumer, and don't confuse them more by having them have to remember different coupon codes. So plan your offer early, plan your creatives early. And I had all of my Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaigns, my clients scheduled out in early November. So I built them 3 weeks ahead of time. They were all scheduled, ready for review for Facebook and these other channels, and ready to go live. From doing Black Friday, Cyber Monday in previous years, sometimes Facebook can break the couple days before Black Friday. I believe this happened in 2019 where you just couldn't build ads in the 48 hours up to leading for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Taking from that experience, I was like, I'm not taking any chances. I'm building out all my ads 3 weeks early. And this also gave plenty of time for these social platforms to review our ads. So as you know, if you ever launch an ad on a social media platform, they do have to review it to make sure that it follows their policies. So giving these platforms plenty of time in their busiest time of year to review your ads, approve them so that they're just scheduled and ready to go live. Scheduling them out early on really helped me, especially when you're managing multiple clients. You want to make sure that you have everything scheduled out in advance. So that's something I'll definitely carry on for next year, is just scheduling a month out early, building out all the creatives in October, getting them scheduled to go live in early November, so that on Black Friday, Cyber Monday week, you can just focus on monitoring the campaigns, scaling budgets where you need to, killing the bad ads, and doing those day-to-day media buying tasks throughout that weekend and not have to worry about building new ads or campaigns the night before. The second thing I want to talk about is the actual ad campaign structure. From my experience of running Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales, often a more simplified structure is going to give you the best results. And most of my clients, I just had 2 campaigns running. One of them was a prospecting campaign trying to get new customers to our site. And the other one was a retargeting campaign where I re-engaged people who have previously been to our site, have previously purchased from us before, have engaged with our Instagram or Facebook page, or have viewed one of our videos. Our middle of the funnel and bottom of the funnel audiences were in that retargeting campaign. And then the prospecting campaign, I used broad interest targeting. I used some lookalike targeting based off of lookalikes that worked well in the past, and also just completely broad targeting for some clients. In total, I would say no more than 10 ad sets are running at a time for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It was a very consolidated structure. We utilized CBO, automatic bidding, automatic placements, all those things that make the algorithm perform to its highest potential, especially on Black Friday, Cyber Monday week. You don't want to layer in too many things into your campaigns that are going to throttle your delivery. You're going to want to get as much delivery as possible during these 4 days. So that's why you don't want to set cost caps. You don't want to layer in too many negative interest targeting, like exclusions and all those things, excluding different placements, because that's just going to limit your delivery. And in this very hyper competitive time of Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the last thing you want to do is under deliver. You want to make sure your ads are showing to the widest range of people possible. Besides the campaign structure, another thing that was really a priority for me was the creatives. In prior years, I haven't seen that there was one specific creative type that has worked better than the others. In some accounts, videos worked better than stills, or carousels worked better than videos. It was pretty account specific. So this year, I wanted to make sure that all my clients had a lot of different creative types. We wanted to make sure that for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, we had long form videos, short form, boomerangs, stills. We want to make sure that we covered our bases in terms of having a lot of different types of creatives in these accounts. What was really interesting this year is that we saw that stills actually outperformed videos. And this is the first time I've ever seen this, especially during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Usually I would expect that videos perform better than still images, but this year still images did so much better than all of the video creatives across the board. So I think this is for two simple reasons. The first one being that stills can often get more delivery because they can show in other placements that are less expensive, like in the audience network, right-hand column on Facebook. But the second reason is because I think that for a still image, you can show your offer really clearly and people can instantly know what you're selling. So we would have an ad that has like 30% off in big text. We have a photo of the product and a call to action, shop now. I think because people are scrolling so quickly, especially on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, they're looking for deals. You want to make sure that they don't have to watch a whole video to figure out what your offer is. You just show them a still image and it already has the offer on it. And it's really clear, concise. That's going to convert the best. So if you don't already have this in your ad account, would definitely recommend adding in some still images that are just simple, has your sale offer on them, a strong call to action, because that is what performed best across the board. Those are my key learnings from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Overall, all my clients had record weekends, so better than any other year, which is so exciting to see. I think because number one, we planned ahead. Secondly, we had that consolidated campaign structure that was very machine learning friendly. And thirdly, testing a lot of different creatives, but ultimately the still images came out on top. So I would love to hear what you guys did for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. In the comments below, would love to see what campaign structure worked best for you, if you had any best performing creatives, or your key takeaways for that weekend that made you successful. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those there as well about Black Friday, Cyber Monday. If not, I will catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching.